Hi, Dan here from Love Core and Dearmouring Arts. I'm gonna show you a quick technique and very powerful to come back inside your body. So if I find myself stuck in my head and thinking and disconnected from the feeling and disconnected from the body, this is a very good way to get me back in. And there are 3 steps to it. First one is to pay attention to my breath, how it comes in and how it comes out of my body. I call it becoming intimate with my breath. To be intimate means to be close. So I pay close attention to my breath and what it does and how it moves, how it touches me. The little tickles, the little sensations when it comes in and when it comes out. And I pay keen attention to it. Almost like a parent watching a child at play, and you just watch them. See what they do, how they do it, where they go, how they move. So essentially I don't do anything, I just watch it. And by watching it, it connects me to my body. But you'll see through the practice. So to do that, I keep my mouth slightly open, like this. And when I breathe in and breathe out, I breathe in simultaneously through the nose and the mouth. In and out. Because that gives me more of a surface area to feel, to sense where and how the breath touches me. So that's the first thing. Second thing, I relax my jaw muscles as I breathe. I pay attention to the muscle from the inside of my mouth. And I consciously keep relaxing it with every breath. I keep dropping the jaw. Keep dropping it. Because the more my jaw muscles and my mouth is relaxed, they are connected to my pelvic floor muscles. It's the same reflex. So if I can relax my jaw and my mouth, at the same time I'm connecting the pelvic floor with my mouth, with my head area, it helps me ground much faster. And then the third thing, I use my voice. On the exhale, I just make a sound. And it's not about sounding pretty or singing. It's just so that my body reverberates, my vocal cords shake. And as they do that, it helps me ground and come into my body even more. Just like that. Feeling the breath, relaxing my muscles, and sounding. Very simple. I hope it helps, and see you next time.